G'day, it's Ross Wilson from AVO Turbo World. On our Project GT7 today, we'll be fitting our unequal length header. I just wanted to show you the header before we fit it on the car. The AVO stainless steel unequal length header is ceramic coated, and it comes with the front pipe, which is 2.5 inch, with our high flow 5 inch 160 cell per inch cat converter. Also, the rear, we fit a resonator to drop the noise down a little bit. The standard system is all one piece, where the AVO front pipe and header system is 3 pieces. We make this easy for installation. Then one other key point that I want to explain is on the factory system, if you wanted to run the factory cat converters, just say for a registration or an inspection, you can actually cut the header at this point here and weld a flange so it can fit with the AVO unequal length header. Anyway, let's get it on the dyno and see how we go.